Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be trying out another celebrity's diet. Today we're going to be trying out Priyanka Chopra Jonas's diet. I'm going to eat like her for a day. I have an entire playlist. I've tried out so many celebrity diets. I've tried so many celebrity related food. That makes no sense. Just check out the description. I'm going to leave a playlist and you can check it out. Like always, I'll leave all of my references, my sources in the description box below. And having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Good morning guys. So today the first thing that we're going to be having is breakfast. But one thing to note is कि पूरे दिन में Priyanka has 10 glasses of water. तो मैंने first glass already pour कर लिया है अपने लिए. And of course, I'll keep having more water throughout the day. But for breakfast, I'm very excited for breakfast. We're going to be making avocado toast. मैंने बहुत सारे avocado related dishes खाए हैं. I don't think कभी avocado toast properly खाया है. So I'm very excited to make it and eat it. I'm going to quickly finish my water and then we can go make our breakfast. Okay, so let's make the avocado toast. Obviously, first thing that you're gonna need are some avocados. So using a fork, I'm gonna quickly smash them and make a nice paste. Now to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon zest and some lemon juice as well. Black pepper and little bit of salt, and we mix again. Then we have 2 toasted breads, multigrain bread liya hai maine. And then I'm gonna add in the avocado paste that we just made, some tomatoes for the freshness, and then an egg as well. So our avocado toast is ready, and I also have some water because she has 10 glasses of water in a day. So let's try out our breakfast. So, as you can see, एक toast तो मैं खा गई already. काफी yummy है is all I can say. It's very fresh and it's very tasty. I don't know how well it pairs with eggs. At least for me, I don't love it that much. But it's really good. I'm gonna have my water, finish my avocado toast, and also there's something else that she has with her breakfast, so we'll have that as well in just a second. Up next, we have some espresso with Skittles. So obviously this is not something that she has every day, but a combination she had mentioned. Now this espresso is an instant kind. I don't have an espresso machine, so ये instant वाला बनाया है. Let's try these two together. I anyway have espresso once or twice a week, तो मैं पी लेती हूँ सुबह सुबह. So I love it anyways. Okay, I could see why she really likes this because the espresso is very bitter and then we have the sweet Skittles. It's very unique. It's a really cool taste combination. I did not expect myself to like this. Okay, so overall verdict on my breakfast. I think my breakfast was amazing. I tried a lot of new things, like जैसे मैंने avocado toast तो कभी try किया ही नहीं था. Plus वो Skittles and espresso का combination बहुत ही अच्छा था. तो I'm gonna give my breakfast a 9 out of 10. मुझे बहुत मजा आया and I'm looking forward to the next meal. I'm gonna go get ready in the meanwhile. So when I think of Priyanka, I think black, leather, powerful. So I put on something that I think she would wear, she would like to wear. And then I'm going a little bit fun with the accessories because I feel like her outfits are very fun. Now, let's move on to the makeup. I did see a few tutorials of her giving tips after doing her makeup. So I'm gonna follow those. So for the base, though, she keeps it very, very simple. And mostly I saw her only applying it under her eyes. So मैं वही करूँगी. So while doing her brows, she did a really cool hack or a technique which I want to try out for myself. So एक spoolie से she pushed her hair up and then filled her brows. Ooh. Wow. I'm quite mind blown by this. You're literally coloring your skin and not your hair. And it just looks a lot more natural for some reason. I will say I love the way my brows look. You have to try this hack for yourself. मैं ये definitely बहुत ज़्यादा use करने वाली हूँ मेरे day to day makeup में. So now for the eyes, I'm just gonna do something little bit more smoky and glamorous because I feel like she does that a lot and it looks so good on her. Okay, now for the lips. I feel like she has really nice bold lips and she has the prettiest lips ever. So I have a range that has a lot of lipsticks to choose from. Here I have the Mamaearth Hydra Matte Crayon Transfer Proof Lipstick. Now these come in 7 shades. So you have 1 shade for each day of the week. And the colors are so intense. Let me actually swatch it and show you guys. It's literally a 1-stroke application and it's so creamy because it has argan oil in it and it also has hyaluronic acid, which just makes your lips so supple and soft. This will provide you 12 hours of hydration and 12-hour long stay. I love how it's so lightweight on the lips. It is waterproof and transfer proof. Let me show you. There you go. By the way, the shade that I'm wearing is called Berry Red. So Mamaearth has a plant goodness initiative. So every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, they're aiming at planting 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. In case you guys are interested, you can check this product out and use my code MRIDUL2023 to get a 20% off. These products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And now they're also available in stores near you. So yeah, definitely check it out. I'm all ready. This is what my makeup looks like. Very smoky, sultry eyes with a plum, bold-ish lip. Little bit out of my comfort zone, but I think this is what looks really good on her. And I wanted to try out something new. So yeah, now let's go have some lunch because I'm starving. So for today's lunch, we have bhindi ki sabzi, nachni rotis and some raita. So I've noticed that nachni ki roti is very popular among celebrities, maybe because it's very healthy. Bhindi ki sabzi is also very, very popular. Everyone's favorite. हमने जब कियारा का भी वीडियो किया था तब भिंडी की सब्जी खाई थी. I love भिंडी की सब्जी, so I am not complaining at all. And मैं नाचनी की भी रोटी खाई हुई है पहले. It honestly just tastes like regular roti. It's just a little bit thicker. Tastes like nothing, to be honest. And then we have raita. मैंने काफी टाइम से actually रायता खाया नहीं है. I am usually very upset क्योंकि छाछ नहीं होता है ये meals में, but दही है तो I'm okay with. Also, it was mentioned कि प्रियंका needs to have दही या रायता with her meals, so here we have it. So fresh and so nice. I love this meal. I'm gonna rate it like an 8 out of 10. No complaints, to be honest. I'm gonna finish my meal and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's time for a snack. Priyanka Chopra ka snack काफी unique है. So today we're gonna be making ghum paratha. So ghum paratha is like a name that her mom has given to a paratha. Basically ये पराठे को घूम पराठा इसके लिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि उसमें जो सारी healthy चीजें होती है जैसे घी, मक्खन, अजवैन, वो सारी चीजें आंटी मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे I know. Priyanka's mom would basically just kind of mix everything inside so that she wouldn't know what's in it. When Priyanka was younger, she did not like the taste of ajwain and butter and ghee. तो वो सारी चीजें उसमें mix करके एक पराठे में her mom used to serve it to her. So yeah, we're going to be making that today. And साथ में हम बहुत ही unique condiments लेने वाले हैं. I'll show you what it is in just a bit. So this is what you need for a ghum paratha. यहाँ पे मेरे पास आटा ready है. इसमें मैं add करने वाली हूँ अजवैन. I'm also adding in some ghee and butter, and now I'm just going to knead it all together. So here we have the parathas, and then this is regular aam ka achar, and then here we have chicken ka achar. I know. Let's go try it out. I love parathas, so I am excited, but I am definitely a little bit nervous about the chicken ka achar. I'm gonna do it with aam ka achar pehle because it's a familiar taste. मुझे पता है अच्छा ही लगने वाला है, and I'm kind of procrastinating trying the chicken ka achar. It actually doesn't smell bad. It smells kind of like Szechuan chutney. हाँ एक्चुअली एकदम शेजवान चटनी टाइप स्मेल है. आम का अचार तो सही लगता है एंड आई पर्सनली लव अजवैन पराठे में भी इन जनरल ऑल्सो, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. चलो अब ट्राई कर लेते हैं. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द पीस, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डिप. एक और बाइट लेते हैं. मैंने बहुत कम डिप किया. Doesn't taste bad. उतना बुरा नहीं है जितना मैं अपने माइंड में बिल्डअप कर रही थी. It's not bad. I'm glad I tried it out for myself. By the way, she also likes fish का अचार. वो मुझे मिला नहीं, but I've heard that it's a very like popular thing. I actually had no idea before doing research for this video कि ऐसा भी होता है चिकन का अचार. I think shrimp का भी अचार होता है और fish का भी होता है. But हाँ, I'm happy with my आम का अचार. Comment down below if you're team मिर्ची अचार, आम अचार अचार या फिर चिकन अचार या फिर फिश अचार ऑल्सो, लीव एन इमोजी। आई थिंक मैं इसको रेटिंग दूंगी 7 आउट ऑफ 10, नहीं एक्चुअली 8 आउट ऑफ 10। मुझे काफी पसंद है ये, बहुत ही अच्छा और हेल्दी स्नैक आइडिया, स्नैक ऑप्शन है ये, बनाना भी बहुत ईजी है। सो आई लाइक इट, इट्स वेरी कंफर्टिंग। बाय द वे आई एम ऑल्सो हैविंग माई ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, 10 ग्लास आज खाली करना है। सो आई एम गोना एंजॉय माई घूम पराठा with some water. तो डिनर काफी weird सा है. So we have some soup right here, which is what she has mostly for dinner. But she loves chaat. मुझे चाट कहीं ना कहीं तो integrate करना ही था. This you could consider like a cheat meal. So we have some dahi puri and we have some sev puri. Let's try out a very bizarre dinner. Sev puri. By the way, I love chaat, so I am very happy about this. I love soup also, so I don't mind it. It's a nice balance. Killed it. दही पूरी का टाइम है, बहुत चटपटा और बहुत सही है। अब थोड़ा सूप भी पी लेते हैं। आई नो यू गाइस विल आस्क सूप का रेसिपी दे दो। बेसिकली इसका कुछ रेसिपी नहीं है, घर पे जो भी वेजिटेबल्स है उसे कुकर में डाल दो, उबालो, मिक्सी में डालो और पेपर डालो। ऑनेस्टली दैट्स इट एंड इट टेस्ट क्वाइट ग्रेट इन माई ओपिनियन एटलीस्ट। आई थिंक मैं ये मील को रेट करूंगी लाइक अ 9.5 आउट ऑफ 10 बिकॉज आई लव चाट एंड आई लव सूप्स ऑल्सो। सो यूजली फॉर डिनर शी हैज सूप विथ दोपहर का लाइक रोटी सब्जी टाइप, या फिर शी विल हैव अ सैंडविच। आई फेल्ट लाइक सैंडविच बहुत ही वेग था, कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं था कि सैंडविच में क्या होता है। सो आई थॉट कि एक चीट मील भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं थ्रू आउट द डे। या आई लव दिस मील, आई एम गोना गो एंजॉय दिस। इट्स टाइम फॉर आवर लास्ट मील ऑफ द डे, मिडनाइट स्नैक, मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट मील। लेट्स सी प्रियंका का क्या है। और फेवरेट स्नैक आर दीज डोरिटोज कूल रैंच फ्लेवर में विथ अ साल्सा डिप, वेरी यूनिक, एंड रीस पीनट बटर कप्स। क्लियरली मैं एक ऑलरेडी खा चुकी हूँ, बट हाँ दिस इज अ रियली कूल कॉम्बो। आई एम गोना ट्राई इट आउट। आई थिंक आई tried this flavor. I really like the original orange color का जो आता है वो, ये भी I remember अच्छा था। Yeah, smells familiar. I have my dip right here. I have a feeling that this is going to be bomb for some reason. Okay, not as bomb as I thought in my head. On its own काफी अच्छा फ्लेवर है, बहुत ही सटल है, बट अच्छा है, मतलब not bad, but I don't love it. Like मेरे दिमाग में काफी ज्यादा मैंने एंटिसिपेट कर लिया था कि बहुत अच्छा होगा। Honestly, I can't complain. It's chips. It's good. Time for Reese's peanut butter cups. I love this chocolate. It's actually one of my favorites. Personal favorites. If you like peanut butter, you will love this. I think I'm gonna give this like a 7 out of 10. काफी अच्छा midnight snack है ये. I wouldn't mind having this at night. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I have to give my favorite, right? I think it's gonna be the first meal that I had, avocado toast for breakfast. It was really good. Also, the espresso with Skittles. Genius. I loved that. I loved the ghum parathas also. Very comforting, very basic, but so good. That's basically it. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.